Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Spend 30 minutes daily reviewing general chemistry concepts like electronegativity and hybridization. This builds the backbone for organic thinking. Learn functional groups by memorizing 15 common groups and drawing them repeatedly until recognition is automatic. Practice drawing Lewis structures for 1 to 3 simple molecules each session and check formal charges. This reinforces electron counting. Use a physical notebook and time block 30 minutes so repetition becomes habit, and focus on patterns rather than isolated reactions to reduce cognitive load. Break mechanisms into 3 steps: nucleophile attack, bond reorganization, leaving group departure, and narrate each step out loud as you draw arrows. Use curved arrows to show electron flow and label charges after each step so your brain pairs visuals with logic. Solve 5 mechanism problems per week focusing on SN1, SN2, E1, and E2 patterns to internalize differences. When stuck, simplify the substrate to a methyl, primary, secondary, or tertiary example, then rebuild complexity slowly. Study 30 minutes of spaced repetition using flashcards for names, pKa values, and reagents to lock facts into long-term memory. Draw mechanisms by hand for 20 minutes and then check with an answer key or mentor to correct habits quickly. Use model kits for 15 minutes to visualize 3D geometry like chair flips and stereochemistry, which clarifies conformational preference. Combine short, timed sessions, 30 minutes review, 20 minutes drawing, 15 minutes modeling. Repeat 4 to 5 times weekly for steady progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.